Hello, everybody. My name is Dr. Arbin, and I am your instructor for this July session of Technology Tools for Teachers, TE 886, December 2019. I want to take a few minutes to first to welcome you to the course, to give you a brief walkthrough of the course, and really just do the best I can in this video, which should run in the 8 to 10 minute time frame to get you as set up for success as possible. Now, first things first, I'm sure you're aware my screen, the instructor screen, tends to look a little bit different than your student screen. So that's not something we're going to worry about. As you can see that we have right here, going to first talk about these 6 topic and assignments. And I also want to talk to you about this course, Welcome and Orientation. I'm going to start here. This course was originally created by this man, Dr. Fu Vu. I took over the course from him, and I did leave a small amount of his stuff up just to give him credit for creating the course. That is not me. My name is Dr. Artman, not Dr. Vu. He created a lot of the content for this course, so you will still see his name or his picture on occasion. Again, not that big a deal. Some of you may know him already, having taken previous classes with him. He's an amazing professor. I'm glad to have him as a colleague. I want you to, of course, read this course Welcome and Orientation, as well as the video he posted. It'll help get you going the same as this video. Now, you have 6 topics called topic assignment 1 through 6, which you'll do. And then when you get down here, you said please choose 1 out of 4 learn tracks below to complete your final project. You are expected to contact me to indicate which track you get selected by topic 3. Detailed instructions for all tracks can be found here, so you can click right there. You have one of these 4 to choose from. Now, you can always just click on either of those 4. Let's talk briefly about these topic and assignments. Each one, everything's linked. There's no materials to purchase. There's no readings to purchase. Again, you do see Dr. Vu on occasion do these. So topic 1, I'm not going to go through all 6 topics because they follow the same idea. I'm going to take you through topic 1 to give you the groundwork of how things work. Watch the video, do the warm-up activity. Right here is a linked Padlet. So you click here to do your Padlet for discussion 1. Right here, if you're not sure how to do a Padlet or need some help, there's the FAQ. That is provided here in the first topic. I have not put the FAQ up for every single one. Then you're going to watch your videos, this PowerPoint, reading resources, more videos, go through your educational resources, explore those. And then here you'll click on your assignment as an online quiz. It is timed 30 minutes. It is the only quiz in this course. Click on it, do it, submit it, done. Now, scroll back up real quick. Again, I know my screen is a little bit different than yours. Of course, you see the syllabus is available to you there. I'm going to click on the assignments page. Here are the assignments. See assignment 1 through 9, final project submission, course participation grade. You see the due dates, July 4th, July 7th. Roughly every 3 days, you're going to have an assignment due. Here's what I need you to understand. You cannot turn in the assignments late without penalty. You don't have a whole lot of time to get things done because this is a 31-day long course. You are welcome to work ahead so long as you turn in quality work. If you can get everything done in 3 weeks instead of 4, that's excellent. That's great. Go for it. But again, it's not at the expense of quality work. If your quality suffers, then you're going to have to go back and fix things, and you've wasted your time. So again, you can see everything, final projects, all the assignments. Jump back over here. When you get here, and when you pick the one you want to do, what you're going to see, and it's easier for you to read through them, try to explain it in my own words and get confused. When you get through these last few, if you choose Apple Teacher or Open Learning, or the Google Site for a Teacher, some of these, the work you do for this, will replace some of your assignments you saw on the assignment page, assignment 7, 8, 9. Some of those assignments will be replaced by the work you do for these projects. So I want to make sure I mention that. So when you read that, you're going, huh? Do I not do that? That's right, but they're not always going to be the same. So you need to read very, very carefully. Email me if you have any questions. And make sure you know what's going about. Talking about email, let's go here to the syllabus. You guys can read the syllabus. Right here is my email, artmanbm@unk.edu. That is where you email me. I check my email every single day. If there ever is an issue where I'll be out of touch from email for a day or two, I will let you know. But all communication with me needs to go through there. artmanbm@unk.edu. Most times, I've been doing this for several years now. I did not just here at UNK, where I'm just getting going here at UNK, but at a couple different colleges on the East and West Coast of the United States, as well as the University of Houston. I've been doing this for several years now. I know how to help students be successful and how to help students get through the conflicts and scheduling issues that tend to jump up. 9 times out of 10, 99 times out of 100, I can get the issues resolved and get the students help they need through email. If you don't feel the email works, if you want to do a phone or video conference, then we'll just simply use email to schedule that. All right, folks. Again, I'm going to go ahead and post this course now. Today is June 29th, so it is going to be available to you early. And I'll be receiving an email from you shortly. You may start now, but the course is over, I believe, August 1st. So again, working hard, working daily, not falling behind, and being in communication are going to be key to you being successful in a 4-week course. Because you have a lot of work to do. Dr. Vu created a wonderful, wonderful course, which he was very fortunate to share. I was very fortunate he shared it with me as I began working full time here at University of Kearney. He's a hard working guy. He put a lot in here, so you have a lot to handle. I've made some edits to make it more my own, but there's a lot to do. I will support you in every way possible, but if you fall behind and don't get caught up, there's not going to be much I can do. So again, thank you very much. It's a pleasure to have you here with me in this course. I look forward to working with you. Again, please keep in touch. You can see my email right there. Thank you again, and I will see you online.